spaceship into a tree. What do you get when these worlds collide? A techno treehouse with the crew inside. There's
Twinklebot, Squirrel,
Hedgehog, and Owl. Are you ready? The head-turning cogs, wearing facts, searching, observing, confirming, non-earthing, working, chirping, researching, fun with learning. Treetopix. Treetopix.
what have you got there, Squirrel?
Oh, I ordered these new moon boots from the internet, but the instructions are all in French.
In French? Oh, I haven't had that update to my software, I'm afraid, Squirrel. I can only speak in English.
Now I'll never be able to take these boots for a spin or a fly. I don't know how they work, okay? I wish I knew some French words.
Did somebody say French words?
I mean, I didn't say any French words. I literally said French words.
Yes, I know what you said. Yes, it's me, the Culture Vulture.
Ooh.
A feathery know-it-all dude. We've already got one of those, and he's...
Owl! Me and Owl go way back. But enough about him for now. Luckily for you, I do speak a little, you know, Francais.
He checks out.
In fact, let me introduce myself properly. Bonjour.
I thought you were called the Culture Vulture, which, now I think of it, is a bit of a weird name.
No. Bonjour is how we say hello in French.
Oh, I see. Bonjour, Mr. Vulture.
Magnifique. I tell you what, I just so happen to prepare a little musical ditty for such an occasion as this. Perhaps this will help you. Maestro, take it away. Bonjour. That means hello. Say au revoir when it's time to go. S'il vous plaît. That means please. And to say thank you, we say merci. Ça va? How are you? Bien. Good. Merci beaucoup. Oui is yes. No is no. Let's sing together one more time. Et-tu prêt encore? Bonjour. That means hello. Say au revoir when it's time to go. S'il vous plaît. That means please. And to say thank you, we say merci. Ça va? How are you? Bien. Good. Merci beaucoup. Oui is yes. No is no. But that's enough Francais for today. Au revoir, it's time to go. Voila! Encore! No, I'm kidding. You're too kind. No, really.
No, merci beaucoup.
Oh, brilliant. You're learning all the time. Well, do try singing along some other time. It will help you remember the words.
Oui, Mr. Vulture. New languages take lots of practice, but singing helps.
Yeah, I suppose so. Hey, wait a minute. I still can't read these instructions for my moon boots.
Let me take a look. Right. Okay. Yes. It appears that this is actually a recipe for an onion soup. Sounds delicious, though.
Oh no.
What is it?
There's been a mix-up. If I've been trying to make my moon boots work using an onion soup recipe, I dread to think how Hedgehog is getting on making onion soup using my moon boots instructions.
Is this supposed to tenderize the onions?
I think we better run.
Thanks, Culture Vulture.
Merci. Au revoir.
I bet he's got garlic on the ceiling again.
At least you didn't end up boiling your feet.